Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Thank you for clicking on this video, and if you click on it is because you saw the title. I ordered a couple of things from RightStuff. They were having a sale, and I also bought a BO manga. So let's get started with the unboxing. Let's do it. I'll show you guys. Here is the box. Here it is. So let's open it. I have my thingy. Whoop. So how is everyone doing? Hope you guys are doing okay. I'm doing pretty good. Tired from work, but you know, without it I wouldn't be able to buy manga. So I'm going to move the camera so you guys can see me. I can show you guys. So hold on. Let's take this one out first. And here's more. Okay, so here we have the other ones. You guys can already see what I got. Okay, so I'll be taking them out and showing them to you guys. So let's go back to how we were. Okay, so the first one I have Platinum N. That's the one. Then I have the first BL, which is Our Not So Lonely Planet. This one. Then I have I'm so excited. Okay, so then I have the first volume of Mad K. Is that how you pronounce it? I have no idea, but I did a horror manga recommendation and this one was in it, and I'm just really happy for it. I finally have it. I finally found the first volume. Okay, so next we have volume 2 of Monster and Beast. Here it is, and here it is. They're all called wrapped in a plastic. Those were the first 4. Next I have the first volume of a Monster and Beast. Okay, so next we have volume 11 of Platinum N. I love this effect that they did on this one. These editions are really pretty. Volume 12 of Platinum N. And volume 13. Ooh, this is my favorite cover so far. Okay, next is Chainsaw Man, volume 8. Here it is. Volume 9. A lot of people don't like Chainsaw Man. Why? I think it's really good. Well, what I read so far is really good. And volume 10. Next I have volume 7, the newest one of Spy and Family. Can't wait to read it. I've actually haven't read volume 6 because I've been waiting for this one to come out, so going to read it soon. Next I have one that I saw the cover and I think it's the prettiest cover ever, and I want to read it. Is this manga good? I have no idea. I haven't heard anyone talk about it, but I really like the cover, so if it's good I will let you guys know. But it's kisses macaron and lemon pie. Isn't that Dekupoko Sweet Bittersweet Days. I got the first volume a couple of weeks ago, and I'm glad I have the second one now. Cannot wait to start reading it. My legs are falling asleep. Next we have Mad Decay. Can't wait for volume 3. And I have volume 3 of Coyote. The art of this mangaka is so pretty. I wish I could draw like her. So in total I got I dropped this. So in total I got 16 new volumes of manga. And the reason why I got a lot is because Chainsaw Man and Platinum Man were on sale, or else my bank account would be crying right now. So thank you, RightStuff, for making me spend money. Anyways, so that's it for today's video. It's a short one, and out of the 16 manga, there's 8 of them are BL. Yes, it's what matters. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.